Hi everyone, this is Ben with WTI, and I'm currently enjoying the joys of growing old, which usually manifests itself in back, neck, and shoulder pain. Well, thanks to my extra long back and neck heating pad from Pure, I am now able to fight back against the ravages of time. Let me tell you some things I enjoy about this product. The top section has magnets right here, so all you have to do is kind of put them close together and it closes off the top, which kind of surrounds your neck and allows that heat to penetrate. Next, you just put the belt around your midsection, Velcro it in place, and that keeps the back nice and flush. As you can see, this comes all the way down to my lower back, just above my butt, which gives you great coverage for that heat. It comes with a nice long cord, and then you just pick your setting, low, medium, high. I like it on high. And in a couple of seconds, this thing is cranking out the heat. Whether you're an athlete, you work out, or maybe like me, you're just getting old, the extra long back and neck heating pad from Pure is a lifesaver. I think you're gonna love it. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.